Have you ever wondered why your car's misfiring? Take a look at this. We have replaced the ignition coil with a good one, and this is how you want one of the simplest tests with this type of ignition coil. This is called a I don't know, I guess they call this a double ignition coil, whatever it is. It's one ignition coil fires 2 spark plugs at the same time, whatever that's called. So one way I test it, I insert a wire into the into one end of the coil pack, right? So now it's in there, and then the other end, I'm gonna try to make the spark jump from this end. Okay, hold on. I was getting a this car was getting a cylinder number 5 Misfire. So we're gonna start it up on and it should solve the problem with the new plug, and we should also be able to see the spark being jumped over through the gap of the wire. Okay, let's see. It should jump. Oh yeah, look at that. Woo! Let that be light. Let that be light. And you can also hear the engine RPM rises as the gas is jumping through. Meaning the problem has been resolved. Okay, one last step. We're gonna go for a test drive and clear the check engine light. The battery died. Okay, we tried that again. We've got a backup battery connected to it. Key. There you go. And we are free of check engine light. Instrument panel is coming alive. And what we're looking for is a closed loop operation. 13.7. Okay, we're looking for 14 volt because 14 is going to indicate charging. And we're going to look for that closed loop operation. It's supposed to say LOP. There you go. Loop is open, and then as the car warm up, that should close automatically. So we're gonna keep an eye out on that one. Okie dokie. Check in with you in a bit. Now we have a closed loop operation. Looking good. Looking good. Let's see. Yeah, it's a closed loop operation. That's good. And we've been driving for about 5 minutes now, and everything looks good. We don't have any more check engine light, and the engine parameters are within the appropriate zones. I am a little bit concerned about the battery. When it's charging, it's supposed to be, yes, it doesn't seem like it's holding its charge. So maybe that's what caused the tough start earlier. Well, we're gonna leave it in the garage to charge it overnight, and by tomorrow the car should be good to go.